Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit TikTok after posting. The steps are easy and simple. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. To edit TikTok after posting, the first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok account. The next thing is to click on the profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you just have to select any particular video that you want to delete and edit. Just click on it. So right here on this video, what I have to do is to click on the three dots found at the side of the video, the right hand side of the video. Now you just have to scroll and click on delete. You're going to see the first option that says delete and re-edit, so just click on it. So right here, if I want to add sound, I'll just have to click on the add sound option and click on next. If I want to add text, I can also add text and click on next. The next thing I can do here is to add description. After adding description, I can just click on the post option in order to post the video. So guys, that is it on how to edit TikTok after posting. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.